Good morning and Jai Hind students. This time I have taken a poem, The Tale of Custard the Dragon by Ogden Nash. So this poem is a humorous poem and it is a funny poem, humorous poem that tells the story of a little girl Belinda and her pets. Belinda lives with her little pets, a kitten, a mouse, a dog and a dragon in her little house. Then the dragon, however, surprised everyone with his heroic act of killing a pirate. So let's discuss what happens. See here. This poem is written in the style of ballad. Ballad means a long poem in a story. A song or poem that tells a story. You must be familiar with ballads that narrate tales of courage or heroism. So here, very nice poem is there. Belinda is the name of a little girl who lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little grey mouse. So Belinda was living with a kitten, little black kitten. Kitten means young cat, means billi ka bachcha, and a little yellow dog. So a little wagon. Wagon means a vehicle. So it was there, and a Rilio Tulio little pet dragon, and a pet dragon was also there. So these members were there with Belinda. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink, the little grey mouse was Blink, and then the little yellow dog was Sharp as Mustard. So, but the dragon was a card. So here characteristic of the animals means जो किटन था वो उसका नाम था इंक था, जो माउस था ग्रे कलर का था उसका नाम ब्लिंक था, एंड द येलो कलर्ड डॉग was like mustard and he was sharp, but dragon was coward. This is opposite thing. Dragon can be coward, we can't imagine. So dragon is coward here. So Custard the dragon, and dragon's name was Custard, and had big sharp teeth as usual, we know very well, and speaks on top of him and scales underneath. So here about his body. About his body, pointed piece of metal and also a bony plate to protect its skin. We know very well that these animals, they have hard skin. So mouth like a fireplace chimney for a nose, it is comparison here, and Rilio Tulio daggers on his toes. So Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of bears. So Belinda was brave girl, and Ink and Blink chased lions down. It is also bravery of Ink and Blink. So Mustard was as brave as tiger. Again bravery of the dog. And Custard cried for a nice safe cage. See, Belinda tickled. Tickled means for making fun, pinching, and she tickled him unmerciful, means without keeping mercy. And Ink, Blink, Mustard, they rudely called him Percival. Percival was a knight. Knight का मतलब होता soldier था, वो सरदार था in Arthur's court, and he ran away. So they called him Percival. So here they all sat laughing in the red wagon, means they were enjoying their day, and they were calling dragon as coward. Belinda giggled till she shook the house. Belinda means she was laughing a lot. She laughed, and Blink and Weak, which is giggling for a mouse, and Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age when Custard cried for a nice safe cage. So they were enjoying their time. They were enjoying their passing time by laughing and by calling Custard a coward. And Custard was crying for a nice safe. Suddenly they heard a nasty means unpleasant sound, and Mustard growled means he roared, and they looked around, and Much cried Ink cried Much, and Ooh cried Belinda. They terrified badly when they saw a pirate in their house climbing in the window. Window means window. So that pirate was a robber, and robber of the sea. He was climbing up on the window. Pistol was in his left hand, pistol in his right hand, means in his both hands he had taken pistol, and he held in his teeth a cutlass bright, means a knife was there. His beard was black, one leg was wood, one leg was made of wood. He was a robber. It was clear that the pirate means no good. He was not there to for a good purpose. Instead, he was there to kill them. Belinda paled. Paled means colorless, looking at that pirate. Then Mustard ran away from there for help, and ink trickled down to the bottom. Again means they just hide themselves. They made themselves to hide. And Little Mouse, he was planned in to run into a hole. Then Custard, to whom they were calling coward, he jumped and he snorted. Snorting means he just produced heavy sound like an engine, and he clashed his tail like irons in a dungeon. Dungeon means hota hai basement. So he was there on the wall, and he just terrified the pirate with a clatter. Clatter means sounding, clank, and a jangling squirm. So he twisted his body and he made a sound. He went at the pirate like a robin at a wall. So here he grabbed the robber just like a robin. Robin is a bird. That robin just catches any worm in its beak. So the pirate gaped at Belinda's dragon, and he gulped some grog from his pocket flagon, and he fired 2 bullets, but they didn't hit, and Custard gobbled him every hit. Means Custard was facing the robber, and robber was not able to face the dragon. He was taking, means the robber was taking a container of wine, and he fired also, but dragon did not terrify. Belinda embraced him, and then pirate ran away. Then robber ran away. Mustard licked means hota chatna, and he licked him. No one mourned for his pirate victim, and Ink and Blink in glee did gyrate. And then they moved around the Custard, the dragon, and in this way dragon was able to make run away to the pirate, means robber. But presently up spoke like little dog Mustard. I would have been twice as brave as I had not been flustered. And up spoke Ink and Up, means they again started telling their bravery. And we would have been 3 times as brave, we think. And Custard said, I quite agree that everybody is braver than me. And he just accepted, yes, you all are braver than me. Belinda still lives in her little white house with her little black kitten and her little grey mouse and her little yellow dog and her little red wagon. This is a vehicle. Relio, Trulio, little pet dragon. Belinda is as brave as a barrel full. Again, these lines are here. So, a few figures of speech here I am going to discuss. In this poem, simile is there. As mouth like a fireplace, we have read here. So, like has been used, and listen, like a fireplace. And then again, Belinda was as brave as a barrel in the starting. Belinda was as brave as a barrel. And then again here are simile, snorting like an engine, clashed his tail like irons in a dungeon, and he went at the pirate like a robin. See here, like a robin. So here simile, and alliteration is here. And he held in his teeth. See here, he held in his teeth when he held H. Ha sound has been repeated. And rhyme scheme is here, A, B, B, C, C. Okay students, thank you and Jai Hind.